HOUJIK Switzerland gi Geneva da CHATHARIBA UN Human Rights Council gi 65 SHUBA session da COCOMI gi spokesperson OIBATA NATTANA IPSA gi Vice President su OIRIBA Khuraijam Athouba Manipur da HOUJIK thokiba Irang Asida Human Rights Khonggaonabagi Phivam Yengshinnaba Special Rapporteur ama KHANNABA Pukning Chingshinkhre Wafam asi Human Rights ki matang da KHANNABA General Debate ki agenda item number 4 gi KHANNABA da mahakna phongdokhibani Session aduda Athoubagi Maikaidagi Government of India ga suspension of operation agreement CHATHARIBA cross-border narco-terrorist group sing amade armed militant sing na chathaba yamna tamthiba thawong sing na Manipur da lairiba yellow kanglup sing da mioibagi rights khonggaonariba asi mityeng changbiyo haina UN Human Rights Council gi Pukning Chingshinkhre Makoina chathaba tamthiba thawong sing na haukiba tha tara asida mioi lising humbudara hena lanjena halli amasong makoigi fangpham thokwa fundamental rights sing khonggaonari haiba wafam thamkhe cross border illegal armed group singna Southeast Asia gi multinational region da akanba mong da lan chatharakle haibase handak ka hena mapanga leiba makhal gi artillery sizinaduna border town Morieda state force sing gi mathakta chathakiba attack aduna mayek sengna takle immigrant armed group sing ase Myanmar amasong Bangladesh tagi afaba khutlai lobagi khudong chaba marangkai na fangle masing khangdana immigrant drug amadi khutlai trafficking tauba amasong logi mayokta paktak na popi thabagi thabak asi loisinaba dialogue chathagadabane mayuma kai thadokna lanjenariba mioi listing humbudara henba maru oina nupi angang sing amade ahal laman sing da khudaki mating pibiyo haina so Khuraijam Athouba UN Human Rights Council ki General Debate aduda THOKLIBA miyam amadi Council ki Pukning Chingshinkhre
Mr. President, I draw your attention to the need for an urgent intervention on the dire human rights situations in Manipur, India, where indigenous communities are embroiled in a severe conflict exacerbated by cross-border narco-terrorist groups and armed militants who are under the suspension of operations agreement with the government of India. Over 70,000 people are displaced since last 10 months, their fundamental rights under threat. The conflict involving cross-border immigrant armed groups risks escalating into a full-scale war across multinational regions in Southeast Asia. The recent attacks against state forces in Moreh border town using heavy artillery are the testament. The immigrant armed groups have unlimited access to arms from Myanmar and Bangladesh, and the complacency adopted by the government of India has prolonged the situations. The duplicity of India's stand and its alleged coordinations with several trans-border ethnic armed groups has deepened the conflicts in Manipur. If undermined, it could jeopardize stability in the region further. Given these circumstances, I urgently appeal to the Council to appoint a special rapporteur to assess the human rights situation in relation to the ongoing conflict in Manipur, to initiate dialogue to address issues of unlimited immigrations, drugs and arms trafficking, and illicit cultivations of opium poppy, to provide immediate aid to the 70,000 IDPs with a focus on vulnerable groups like children, women and the elderly. I trust the Council will prioritize this matter and act decisively to alleviate the suffering of the affected indigenous population. I thank you.